How to be more focused. It is not all that hard for you to stay focused and concentrated on whatever you want to do in the workplace or in your life in general. There are many good tricks that you can use to become focused so you can fix up whatever you're trying to manage. Now, here are 3 ideas to get you started. Number 1, establish an environment that is conducive to your focus. Many people often fail to focus because they may struggle to concentrate on whatever it is they want to do. If you keep a healthy environment going in your home or workplace, then you should actually stay focused. This means that you have to clear out anything that you know can be a distraction to your work at large. It's also a good idea to make that environment comfortable. Keep chairs and other pieces of furniture that you know are comfortable, ready for you and anyone else in your space to utilize. Number 2, make sure that you prioritize everything that you are doing. You must be fully aware of how much time you are spending with certain types of functions in mind. You'll have to think about prioritizing different types of tasks based on what you know you can do first and what you feel you need to complete ahead of time. You must prioritize everything that you are doing so you'll control your efforts the right way. Plan your events ahead of time so you'll know what you should be doing. This will provide you with solutions that are effective and sensible for whatever you want to complete. Number 3, understand how you can manage stress in your life. It's easy to become distracted by different things because of the stress that might come about in your daily life. However, if you understand how to manage stress, then you'll easily figure out what you want to do with your life at large. You need to especially encourage yourself to be a little bit more active and productive in whatever it is you want to do. Think less about what could go wrong in your life and think about how you're going to use different ideas for what you plan on doing while also leaving in some extra time for work. This can be based on the stuff that might get in the way as you're trying to do certain functions. Now, on a related note about scheduling some times for rest. If you give yourself a bit of time to rest, then you need to think a little bit more about when you're going to fix up different issues over time. This is to give yourself more of an effort to take care of whatever you want to do. So I hope these ideas are helpful to you. And remember, when you change your mindset, you will change your results. And I'll be talking to you soon.